All right, so I'm going to show you an easy and free way you can crop your carousels so you don't have that pain in the butt. Let's dive into it. So assuming that your cropping is correct. So for this example, I wanted a 1350 height, not a 1080, 1350 because I want more real estate on the phone, and I wanted 6 slides. So this was a 1350 by 6480. So 6480 width, 1350 height. Now, assuming that you already have everything ready to go, we're going to go into the website called pinetools.com/split-image. It's free. You don't even need to sign up. What you're going to do now is we're going to upload the actual full carousel. Once that loads in, we're going to hit horizontally. We're going to do 6 blocks because there's 6 slides. We're going to do PNG because that's the format that I like using the best. We're going to hit split image and bam, you have your zip file, or you can download them individually. I like downloading the zip file so I have everything in one area. That will pop up into your downloads. Now I get to open all of that. Go inside of here and all your files are in there. We're going to replace. Let's take a look. And bam, all of your files or pictures are in there. You're welcome. Leave a comment.